see.
All right, welcome back to Daytime Live. From Dancehall Queen to beauty entrepreneur, Sher LuxuryDoll is always finding new ways to make her mark. Now, she's adding music producer to that impressive list. She joins us today alongside recording artist Rytikal to give us the inside scoop on this exciting new venture. Let's welcome Sher and Rytikal.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, we're going to kick things off with a little icebreaker. When you hear the term tea or the slang body tea, who's the first person that comes? Rytikal, it's this up to you.
Who?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Good answer. Good answer. Good answer. All right. So for you, when you hear the word tea or the slang body tea, who do you think of?
The designer body girls, the
Yeah,
snatch
the
waist,
dolly
the dolly there, you know, the look good, teeth white, good hairstyle, you know, nails done, body tea.
Yes.
Everything is supposed to fit
Hair
in.
done, nails done,
Yes.
face done, everything.
Everything.
Now, speaking about hair done, nails done, you seem to be the jack of all trades because we know you as a hairstylist.
Yes.
The last time you were here on set, we spoke about, your return to the stage,
Yes.
big performance with Babs Cartel and Cardi B. Now you're here as a music producer. Congrats. Talk to me about
Thank
that.
you. I don't even know how it come up with that, to be honest. I just know that I love the field that I'm in, and I don't necessarily want to go back into dancing. I'm not talking down on it, but I think I've passed that era. I've been doing it for years, you know. So I sit and I think, can I start the dancehall without just doing dancing?
Okay.
So when did you realize you wanted to do music industry? I mean, you spoke about, you realize you all grew dancing. But when is it that you came to the decision and say, yeah, this is what I want?
I don't know. For me, I always just wake up with ideas. It sounds weird, but I just wake up with idea. And the morning that I wake up, I got a text on my phone from my partner. He's saying that he have some rhythms in his phone for months now. I don't know what to do with this. I said, what? Send it to me, because this must be God. I said, I know the artist them and you have the rhythm. Just let me handle it. And then I just take it and I listen to all 20 rhythms, and there's just one that hit me. And I'm like, this is the one. And then I started hitting up the artists them, and everything just happened in a short space of time. And I was like, well, maybe this was really supposed to happen. And then I just launched out after all the 8 artists and backwork, video shoots, everything. So I'm just not someone that procrastinate.
Okay, love that. No, so the rhythm is called Victory Lap.
Yes.
Why that name?
Victory Lap because it's my first project, and I think victory because things should have meaning. And for me, everything that I do, I think there should be success behind it. So victory for me, I just instantly say, yep, this rhythm is gonna be a victory.
Yes.
So I just name it that name. It's not necessarily that the songs are specific after that. It's just the fact that I know that it's gonna be a victory, and I know that it's gonna be successful.
So Rytikal, you're part of that victory lap. What was it like when Sher called you and said, I have this rhythm on your voice on it? What went into your thought process to create the song Body Tea?
It wasn't like that still, more like we're there studio.
Oh.
Yeah, so we met at studio and it's like she played the rhythm and I say, yo, listen to this rhythm want and, go in and producing work. But the rhythm bad still, from me hear the rhythm. But the fact say, Sher give me the rhythm, me have to think, say, I want to do something where she would have like. You understand what I say? So I think about it from a girl's perspective. Like, for the girls them, I go say, all right then. So you don't know, say, Sher a dolly.
One luxury doll.
So you don't know, but just run out for them and say, the body tease me.
So Sher, who are some of the other artists on the project?
I'm not gonna say much, but you have Renee 630, you have Javelani, you have Felony, and a couple other big artists that I don't want to launch out yet. But the project is gonna be great because I do everything. And I must say, thank you to every artist, because this is my first time doing this, and I didn't know that they were gonna believe in me, none at all. As Riti said, I was there and I was like, oh my God, I just get my cleanness and face, Riti. This is today's you think. Often say, but trust me, everybody didn't give me a problem. Everybody just did it with ease, and I have to say thank you guys, because they are big artists and they didn't have to do it for a first-time producer. Because people like to work with people that they're comfortable with.
Right.
So that was the great part about it.
Some people often mix up the producer's role and the composer's role. So for the viewers, can you explain your role as producer of the Victory Lap Rhythm?
My role is to ensure that the artist is get on the rhythm and the rhythm is out, and to make sure that every project comes out is being done properly. So it's not necessary to say that I build the rhythm, but it's still my rhythm because I own the rhythm. And I still make it my point of duty to ensure that every artist get on the rhythm and it is put out because I'm the one that is well known alongside artists. So that is my role in this. And as I say again, luxury entertainment is still my business, as I say. So that's the role of my producing.
Okay, love it. Now, some of your friends have transitioned into, you know, being an artist from dancing. Do you see yourself as an artist when they're doing a song? No. Because we can't tell.
We try to be an artist one time, you know.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I'm going to go up on the stage, I'm going to forget every lyrics.
So it's not easy.
No, somebody decides that maybe that is not for me.
All right, producing.
Producing is
behind the scenes.
Yeah. Me and the behind the scenes person, means that the work.
Love it.
So Rytikal, the song Body Tea, it charted on the iTunes reggae chart.
Yeah.
Right? What was that like when you found out?
Yeah, you know, excitement, man. It's like the feedback when I get from the song from the day of voice in it. It's like I did feel like it feeling a long time, you know. And it's not like the song even reached nowhere near its true potential yet, so we still at work, isn't it? But yeah, I really appreciate that. So big up to the fans them and big up to the whole listeners them push out so far, isn't it? But yeah, it was I love it, man.
And earlier you said when you hear Body Tea, you think of your woman is. I'm going to assume that she is the one who inspired this song. I mean, you said that as well, you know.
Yes.
You make it for the dolly them and everything, but she was the more specific person.
Me and inspiration.
Me and
Aight, man.
I could you wise answer.
No, I made a mistake.
He want to go home.
He want to go home. Next time we go home, he can't go in.
Now, Rytikal, we've seen you working separate apart from Body Tea.
Yeah.
You have been working with, you know, Spanish artists and all of that. Yeah. What else is in the pipeline for you?
Well, you know, I have an EP I work on. I mean, 2 EPs.
Lovely.
Working on, you know. So, we have a lot of work I put out. Then we have some singles same way. We have a few more collaborations in the Spanish market as well. Yeah.
What's the response?
Crazy.
Yes.
Crazy. #1.
Yeah.
Yes.
Crazy.
Nice. Congrats, man.
Yeah, man.
So can you tell us who else is on the EP?
I mean, yeah, I have Conscience on the EP. I have a few people on it still, but it's like 6 songs. Yeah, not too much. Like 3 collaborations. Yeah. Don't want to do too much disclosure because we still try to figure out which and which.
Right.
So
Okay.
let's not go there, but yeah.
Any idea when it's coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I could say early next year.
Okay. Soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Soon come.
Soon forward.
Soon. So, Sher, since stepping into the production role, have you paired with anybody, any mentor, anybody like that, where you can get advice from, who can kind of guide you along the way? Because this is new for you.
Yes. Definitely Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
Crowd Genius, you know.
Crowd, yeah.
My boss, you know what I mean? But I mean, they spared, them help me right through. Like every advice I want them, I call them, they don't say no, they don't gatekeep, them ensure that everything gets done. Red Boom is just so amazing, oh my God. Red Boom just say, here are your first project this, I'm ready. Everybody's just excited for me. And I was like, well, what is me should I do all along? But they don't spare not information. They give me everything that I need to know. And then I just move forward. Because I'm a person I like to learn. And I'm not afraid to ask questions because I don't know what I'm doing. But at this point now, I know fully.
So do you do things your own way, or you kind of do it how they do it until you figure it out?
No, I'm stubborn.
It's tough.
No, not tough, but for me, things always work my way because everybody have their own instinct.
Right.
So for me, I'm a boss, but I don't play myself. So even if I do listen to you, I'm still going to go and process the information and then do it my way.
Yeah.
Because that's the only way it's going to be authentic if I do it my way. But I'm still going to take a piece of what you say and just put it together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we're very excited to hear and to see when you drop the full project. Do you have a release date? My birdie had tell me, something in my IVV. Something that tell me. So we're gonna hear the world boss on it. I don't know. I don't know. Somebody in my
tricky,
ear.
It's tricky. Actually, the rhythm is tea. But I'm gonna start. It's released now. I mean, Ritty is the first song on the rhythm. His video comes out tomorrow. Next week I'm gonna drop 2 more. So I can't drop all of them one time because then each artist is not gonna get their fair share of for them songs to be heard.
You're the producer now.
Right. So some tell us about right. So I'm just taking that step at a time because I want everybody. I give them a video with it. Most people don't do that, but I do that based on the fact that I want people to take me seriously as a producer.
Yes.
So as a female in the game as well, it's really hard.
Yeah, in a male-dominated
Yes, because I think I'm going to be the first female producer, second, third?
No.
Okay, well, so I'm a feel as a dancer.
But
Very few.
So, so I think I'm being produced so far. But the release date, every week. This weekend I'm going to release Renee's song. And then I'm going to release the other artists probably 2 to 3 days after because I can't give them a long stretch. So,
yes. Okay.
All right, where can we find you on social media?
Sher LuxuryDoll, and for the business it's Luxury Entertainment.
Okay.
Rytikal.
Yeah, Rytikal Music, Instagram, Rytikal Official. And TikTok and YouTube.
TikTok.
Love it.
All right. More fun and excitement after the break. We'll soon come back. Don't go anywhere. You know the thing. You know the vibe. Don't do it.